carrot cake, special carrot cake for my friend's birthday tomorrow. So I'm going to bake today so that it will be ready early in the morning. We're going to surprise him with a special carrot cake. This is healthy carrot cake because the ingredients are all natural. So we have here carrots. This is grated carrots. Then we have cake flour. Then we also have walnuts. Then we have brown sugar, eggs, and then we have this special ingredient. This is chia seed. Alright, so we're going to mix the ingredients. Okay, this is very simple lang. This is inspired by Chef Arvi Manabat. I love Chef Arvi Manabat's channel because I learned a lot from his baking series. Okay, so you also watch Chef Arvi Manabat. This is Chef Arvi Manabat's recipe. Okay, so we're going to start. We're going to have to put corn oil in our mixture. Then after that, we're going to add eggs, 3 whole eggs, and then our grated carrots. So I use cheese grater for this, so that it will be finely grated. And then brown sugar. And then after this one, you can also use coconut sugar or muscovado sugar in it. And then you have non-fat milk. Then after this one, we'll put baking soda. Then you have baking powder. And then the salt. And then after the salt, it will be cinnamon powder. We have cinnamon powder. And then, that's it. We will, another one is the crushed pineapple. Okay, so we will mix this together. Mix using war whisk. My war whisk is small lang in size. And by the way, I'm not into baking all the time. I just bake sometimes when it's special occasion only. So I don't need to buy like the containers that other chefs have. So I just use what's available in my kitchen. So like this one, pambansang Tupperware. I'm using pambansang Tupperware. And then this one is Tupperware. This has a brand, Tupperware brand. And this is the mixing bowl that I use is just an ordinary mixing bowl. So I'll just utilize what's available in the kitchen, container available in the kitchen, for me to easily place all my ingredients with correct measurement. So next, we'll add in, after mixing all these ingredients, we'll add in now the cake flour. I'm using cake flour because my all-purpose flour, no more na ang all-purpose flour. So all that's left is the cake flour. So let's try this. It's my first time to use cake flour. So after this, we're going to add the coarsely chopped walnuts and the chia seeds to make this mixture very healthy. Okay, so see you later when we will going to place this in the baking container. We're here now. We're going to pour the mixture in the baking pan. So I use round baking pan for this. Alright. So say hello, baby. Hello, everyone. Subscribe to Mommy's channel. Ooh. And then after this, we're going to have another baking pan. This is disposable baking pan. So we'll have different sizes. To put all this. It's num num, baby. Num num. You're going to eat this when it's cooked. So we preheated the oven already. So we've set the oven for it's number 2. That is the gas oven. So we preheated that one already. We set that to number 2. How is that? That 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to bake this for 45 minutes. Okay, see you later. So while waiting for the cake to cook, we're waiting for 15 minutes more for the cake to be cooked. So while waiting, we're making a recyclable cake holder. So we're using Coco Crunch. Oh no, this is Milo cereal box. So I outlined already. It's round. And then I tape it. This has 2 sides. So 2 circles. And then we're going to put aluminum foil for this one. So we're using recyclable material. So all that is ready and available, found in the kitchen, because we don't have that cake holder. So this is ready to go, ready to throw away material. So instead of throwing this stuff after the cereal has gone away, so we're going to use this for our cake. So we're going to wrap this with the aluminum foil. And then after this one, we're going to assemble. So this becomes useful now. So I'm just using materials that is available in our kitchen. So we're going to cut this and then wrap it around. And then tape it at the back. I'm using packaging tape because packaging tape is available. It's the only tape that is available in the house. Sana all available. So you see, it's round already. Okay, then we'll tape it. I can smell the cake already. Smells good. So later on, we're going to show you the output when the cake is ready. In this vlog, I will just show you the output. The pictures may be after put putting the frosting and all the cake decorations. We'll be having simple cake decorations because we are not cake decorators after all. Yeah, the simple is beautiful, like this one. So we have cake holder already. We're going to create our frosting. So we're using cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar. Okay, so check out Chef Arvi Manabat's video about simple carrot cake. So you'll see how it is being done. I think it's much better than mine. So if you want to see the full vid of this simple carrot cake, you may also check Chef Arvi Manabat. Thank you, Chef Arvi. My simple carrot cake is so delicious. It's highly recommended. Thank you for all your videos, cooking videos. Thank you for your tips and techniques on how to bake delicious cakes. Okay, so we're going to mix this frosting, cream cheese frosting. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's add one more. And it's done. See? So this is now our cream cheese frosting. See you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching.